So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. Rahul Prajapati this side and welcome to Morning Market Brief. So let's see SGX first. So no change, no major change. It's same, right? Okay. So market is trading near 17,690. Okay. Now let's go to the technical chart first. Okay. Now if you see the technical chart, market has seen a good movement in last few weeks, right? And yesterday it was a gap up opening and market was closed. Market actually closed in the red. Okay. Now the question is market is targeting 18,000? Looks like yes, the trend looks fairly positive from here. Okay. As we have talked about since this breakout, we were totally bullish. We have seen that Nifty is following a long unwinding cycle in open interest. We have seen that a good signal came up in the trap indicator. So all data suggests that Nifty is bullish. Now the question is, will it sustain or will it going to go beyond 18,000, right? So if we see the open interest chart, it's still bullish. We don't have any major shorts. Okay. So any dip will be again a good buying opportunity for us in Nifty, right? Okay. So simply we'll go and check the open interest now. Okay. So for the expiry of 18th August. Okay. So if you simply see this chart, a good addition happening on 17,700. This is the highest call option as of now I can see. And good addition happening across all the strike prices, right? Lower side, if we see that 17,500 has added a good, you have seen a good addition in the put side. That means a good support. Okay, so 17,500 is a good support for Nifty and 17,700 is a resistance that we can see right now. Okay, so if market breaks up this level, we can see 17,800, 900 and 18,000 level coming up in few days. Okay, and any dip towards 17,500 could be a good buying opportunity again. So the trend is bullish for Nifty. Now let's talk about the Bank Nifty now. Okay, completely bullish, no doubt in that. Okay, so if we see specifically, the data suggests that it is completely long unwinding cycle happening in Bank Nifty and no shorts, not even a short covering. So it's clearly built up, good built up, right? Now talking about Bank Nifty from here. Okay, so Bank Nifty has given a breakout above 39,000 or 38,900 that we have discussed earlier this level. Okay, now immediately 39,000 is the level that we are talking about. Okay, so that is the resistance we are facing. Above that, we are targeting simply 40,000 level. Okay, so good trend. Any dip towards 38,500 for Bank Nifty is a good buying opportunity again. The trend is fairly bullish. Now let's talk about the Bank Nifty in open interest for 18th August expiry. So as I said, 39,000 is the resistance immediate, and then we are talking about 39,500, and we are completely eyeing on 40,000, right? Any dip towards 38,800, that is a good addition happening, and 38,500. So these are the two levels which providing a good support for Bank Nifty. Okay, so any dip towards 38,800 will go for a long again position if the long unwinding cycle survives. Okay, any dip towards 38,500, again a good buying opportunity for us, right? So the trend for both the indices are fairly bullish, right? Okay, now let's see. So let me just see what is happening in the trap indicator for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So the two signal came around 29th starting of this month, and we still on these two trades. So Nifty has given almost 2.67% return and Bank Nifty is almost 3.65. That's a very nice return for both the indices, right? Okay. Now let's talk about the index contribution yesterday. So if we go and simply check, private banks leading from the front, and again a good contribution, NBFC after that, and then IT. Okay, a bit of negative from the FMCG and telecom. The rest is fine. Okay. Now let's move towards the ban list. Okay, so we have two stocks trading in a ban list, that is Delta Corp and Balrampur Chini. Okay, next, if we talk about simply the trades. Okay, so let's try to go with the cycle. Okay? We'll try to find one stock from cycle. So That's 20 and 40. Okay. Now, if you see the Bank Nifty chart since 1 month almost, not a single short that we have. So 14th, last month we have one short and completely the trend is bullish in this. Okay, so we can, so Tata Chemical looks fine. It's the stock is looking fine. So let me see Tata Chemical. Okay, the stock has already been moved a good. So Tata Chemical is probably taking a rest as of now. So probably any dip towards 1050 could be a good buying opportunity. So it's a good breakout happened. The trend is still bullish. So if the stock shows a dip towards 1050, is a good buying opportunity for us. Apart from this, if the stock gives a breakout above 1100, then again we'll go for a buy. Okay, the stock is completely bullish with this gap up opening and this huge move of almost 12%. This is the resting bar. Okay, so the market is taking just a pause. So any dip towards 1050 would be a good buying opportunity. Go for it. Okay, so the stock looks fine. Tata Chemical. So Tata Chemical have shown a good unwinding in 1100 call option. So 1050 is the good put, highest put as of now. I can see, okay, that's 1000 also, but immediate level is 1050. So market can take support at this level. So this is the support for this and the stock looks fine. Okay, now let's go with the second stock. Okay. So we can see the BEL also looks fine, right? Okay. So BEL is a good, looks good. Okay, yesterday it shows a bit of unwinding. So we can go with that. Okay. So BEL again gave a breakout. Okay. Any dip toward 280 would be a good buying opportunity again. This is a stock looks fairly bullish and it gave a breakout and stock looks fine. So 300 is a level that we can easily anticipate in the stock. So stock is fine. Okay, it's trading near the highest call option, that is 290. Any breakup above 290 could be the stock can easily move to 300. 280 is a good stop for the stock, I think. So that's the thing. Okay. So okay, so that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again the next session. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.